Oreck Commercial Endure Life Belt Upright Vacuum meets LEED requirements. It has a fingertip-controlled 2-speed on-off switch, RPM circuit breaker. Shuts off the motor when brush roller RPMs slow down. 12 inches wide cleaning head covers a wider area and leaves no center dirt path. It is clear, non-marring bumpers. Exclusive MicroSweep goes from carpet to bare floors with no adjustments. A 40-feet power cord is connected to the pigtail cord using a cord clamp, allowing you to easily replace a damaged cord without expensive repairs or rewiring. The cord guard prevents cord damage. Soft wheels protect wood floors. Its ingenious top fill design keeps power at maximum even while bag fills. Powerful, high-speed, balanced, double helix brushes whirl at 65 OPM. Easy use carry handle allows for simple, sturdy carrying. Giant 630 cubic inch top fill bag capacity. Exclusive helping hand handle virtually eliminates squeezing of the hand, bending and twisting of the wrist. It also has received ease of use commendation from the Arthritis Foundation. Handle drops down flat for cleaning under low furniture and easy storage. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The Oreck Commercial Upright Vacuum is a commercial-grade vacuum that offers all the power and performance you expect from an Oreck. This versatile upright makes it easy to keep your business clean. It gets up close to cabinets and baseboards and fits easily under most furniture, clothes racks, chairs, and desks. It can be used on all surfaces including carpet, wood, laminate, and tile with no manual height adjustment. Number 2. 2-speed quick switch, quickly toggle between quiet performance and extra power. Number 3. Lightweight, 9 pounds with helping hand handle and a long-lasting Endure Life belt. Number 4. High-capacity bag, keeps power at maximum even while bag fills. Number 5. Meets LEED compliance, with a cord guard preventing cord damage to the 40 feet cord, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.